Hello students, exercise 9.1 question number 10. The question is two poles of equal heights are standing opposite each other on either side of the road, which is 80 meter wide. From a point between them on the road, the angles of elevation of the top of the poles are 60 degree and 30 degree respectively. Find the height of the poles and the distances of the point from the poles. Okay, let's start. First, to draw the diagram. Two equal pole and between two poles one road. So AB is one pole and CDB another pole, and both are equal. AB and CD. This is 90 degree and BDB the road between two poles, that is base. Now question is two poles of equal heights are standing opposite each other on either side of the road. Okay, BDB the road, which is 80 meter wide. This road is 80 meter wide. This is 80 meter wide. From a point between them on the road, take a point between them. Suppose this is any point on the road. Any point. Suppose this is P. So from a point between them on the road, PB any point on the road, the angles of elevation of the top of the poles are, so from P point to top of the one pole is 60 degree. So join PC PC, this is 60 degree, top of one pole, and another pole are angle of elevation 30 degree, that is A. Join A and P. This is 30 degree. So from P point to top of one pole, that is C, and 60 degree angle, and another pole, top of another pole, that point is A, so that is 30 degree. Now let two poles are equal length, and suppose H meter. This is also H and this is also H. H meter, and let PD be X meter. X meter. And so BP is 80 minus X, total is 80. This is 80 minus X. and these two are pole. So let AB and CD be AB and CD be two poles of equal heights. Two poles of equal heights. And let the height of one pole, height of each pole, let the height of each pole be h meter, and PD be x meter. Given BD equal to 80 meter and angle CPD equal to 60 degree and angle APB is 30 degree. Okay. Now first you take triangle CPD. So in right triangle CPD, CD by PD perpendicular by base, that is tan, angle is 60, so tan 60. So CD by PD perpendicular by base equal to tan 60 degree. Angle is 60. So CD is H and PD is X. X tan 60 is root 3. So H equal to X root 3. This is number 1. Equation number 1. Again, in triangle ABP, AB by BP. So AB is perpendicular and BP is base. Angle is 30, so tan 30. Tan 30 degree. AB is H and BP is 80 minus X equal to tan 30 1 by root 3. Tan 30 1 by root 3. Cross multiply H root 3 equal to 80 minus X. So H equal to 80 minus X by root 3. This is equation number 2. Now from 1 and 2, both are H equal to. So right sides are equal. From 1 and 2 we get X root 3 equal to 80 minus X by root 3. Cross multiply root 3 into root 3 3, so 3x equal to 80 minus x. 3x plus x equal to 80. 4x equal to 80. Therefore x is equal to 80 by 4 equal to 20. So x equal to 20 meter PD. Therefore x is PD, so x is equal to 20 meter. Now from equation 1, from 1, h is equal to x root 3 and x is 20, so 20 root 3 is h meter, and BP equal to BP, therefore BP equal to 80 minus x, 80 minus, and x is 20, 20 equal to 60 meter, 60 meter. So hence height of the poles, height of the each pole, height of the each pole equal to h is 20 root 3 meter, 20 root 3 meter. That is one answer. Height of the each pole 20 root 3 meter, and distances of the point P and distances of the point P from the poles, from the two poles are 20 meter and 60 meter. 60 meter. These two. One is 20, one is 60. So length of the pole, both poles are equal, and that is 20 root 3 meter, and distances from the point P, one distance is 20 meter, another one is 60 meter. Total 80 meter is given, 60 plus 20, 80, so it's okay. These are the answer. Thank you.